I'm bored.
Jack. What?
I'm bored too.
Tom, what do you have to do around here?
We can play Call of Duty, but...
No, Jack's just gonna rape me again.
Shut up.
That was no fun. I couldn't get a kill in.
We could go outside.
In the
It's
frozen
raining.
rain.
It's raining. Besides, I don't
Where's
want to waste this energy.
What energy? You fucking ate the air. It's right there.
Let's see, watch some TV.
What the hell was on at like 3 in the afternoon on Sunday?
The funnies.
Wait! I got it. Let's go play with the train. Let's go, come on! Na 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 na.
Yes! Oh my god!
Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it!
I got it!
Fuck it!
Get drunk.
It's my train! I go first!
Full power, Captain!
Ah!
Jack, watch out!
That actually
Oh my
hurt.
god, you're a loser!
That actually hurt.
Get back on the track, Tom.
Oh my god. Alright.